Time for another Style the Bullseye tutorial. This time I loved the patterns on the table runner in Bullseye's Playground, but I didn't have a need for a table runner, so I went ahead and made coasters with them. So I want to show you guys how I did it. It's actually a really easy and fun DIY. Supplies you're going to need for this project are some fabric. I chose this $3 table runner from Target in Bullseye's Playground because I just love the pattern. You'll need some Mod Podge. I found this one at Hobby Lobby. You can get it online or you can get it even at the Dollar Tree. You'll need a brush. You can use a foam brush or any type paintbrush will be just fine. You'll need some self-adhesive felt. You'll need some tile coasters. These are the travertine tiles from Home Depot. You can get a 9-pack of these for $3.97. And then you'll need some scissors. Okay, so let's get started. First, we'll go ahead and measure the felt backing to our coaster. So I take my coaster and I just put it a little over the edge here. And we'll go ahead and trace it. And then we'll cut that out. And then you'll just want to take off the backing. Flip your coaster over and put down your felt. And you don't want it going all the way to the edge, so that's why we kind of measured it when we moved it forward a little bit. Next, we have some decisions to make. You want to figure out which design and pattern you want on your coaster. I think I'm going to have mine have one edge here on this blue, and then that'll end up getting just a little bit of the blue down here. So first I'm just going to go ahead and cut off this edge here. And you really want to use good scissors for this to cut any fabric. So we'll set that to the side and then you can flip it over and we're going to do the same thing that we did with the backing. We'll just trace the area that we want. Can set it right down, and then we'll just want to go back and trim the edges. Okay, now we're going to use our Mod Podge to glue the fabric on. So you can just take your brush and brush it onto your tile. You want a decent coat. Make sure you get it all the way to the edges. And then just put your fabric right on. And then you're going to want to let this set 15 minutes before we do another coat. So it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and do a top coat on my fabric here. And I like to do 2 to 3 top coats. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes, do another coat, wait 15 minutes, do another coat, and see how it feels. And again, you want to go all the way to the edges. You want to make sure you get some Mod Podge up under there and kind of push it down. that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or you attempt this yourself, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day.